How to use Visa gift card on PayPal. Got a Visa gift card? Here's how to use it on PayPal step by step. So start by logging into your PayPal account on the app or website, and then go ahead and head over into the wallet tab. Click on this and then select link a card, and then enter your Visa gift card number, expiration date, and CVV. Make sure the card has enough funds to cover your purchase. PayPal does not allow partial payments across multiple cards. When paying online, choose PayPal, then select your Visa gift card as a funding source. PayPal processes it like a debit card. You can transfer Visa gift card funds into your PayPal balance. It works only as payment method, best for one-time purchases. Linking a Visa gift card to PayPal is simple and secure. Great for online shopping, but not ideal for recurring payments.